Rolling?
Yep.
Okay, we've just been looking at bit rate in terms of multimedia anyway. And bit rate represents the amount of information or detail that is stored per unit of time. How much can be sort of travelling through a pipe in a certain period of time. It's all about the quality of the image. So the higher the bit rate, the better the quality of the image. So National Broadband is claiming that every household, if the Labor Party get in at the end of this year, is claiming that they'll have every household will eventually have 100 megabits or 100 megabits, so it's a million bits, which is a lot of traffic per second being able to travel through. So you'll be able to download a full movie, high definition movie, in minutes rather than hours, or potentially seconds rather than minutes. It'll be incredibly fast. In fact, theoretically, you could download 4 or 5 high definition movies in practically minutes, rather than waiting all night as we have to do now for the same sort of quality. And if we have a look at the rates here, which you may not be able to see on the video, but you can look it up on Blackboard later, they're the sort of standard things. The old-fashioned standard TV was working at a rate of 3.5 million bits per second coming through on the screen. Whereas if we jump to Blu-ray, that's the highest quality we currently have. It's 40 million bits travelling through per second as the Blu-ray is sort of cycling through. And in between you can see the different ranges. High definition TV is between 8 and 15, that's what we've got here on the big screen. And AVC HD, which is what we use with our cameras, as they're recording at 24 million bits travelling through per second of recording. So it's not quite Blu-ray quality, but it's still pretty good, and it's certainly a lot better than what standard definition used to be. This was pretty much going to be standard definition with the old cameras using the mini DV. It was around about 3.5 megabits, which is why the quality of these was nowhere as good as the quality of the cameras that we're using